Hello students, today I will discuss to you term polynomial. Polynomial. Types of polynomial. Polynomials are of many types. First, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Second is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And the third is cubic polynomial. Now, what is linear polynomial? What is linear polynomial? If the equation has only one element, let equation is x plus y equals to 1, then here the degree of the polynomial is 1. What is degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the equation is known as the degree of the polynomial. Here the highest degree of the equation is 1, because so it is linear polynomial. And the quadratic polynomial, if the degree of equation is 2, then the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. And when the degree is 3, then the equation is in cubic polynomial. Now, relations between the polynomials and the zeros of the relation between the zeros of the polynomial. For quadratic equation, let us consider our equation is ax square plus bx plus c. It is quadratic equation. Why? Because its highest power of the equation or its degree of the equation is 2. Highest power of the equation is 2. So the degree of equation is 2. Then the degree of equation is 2. So the number of zeros of the equation is 2. Now the zeros are alpha and beta. Relation, that is sum of zeros like alpha plus beta equals to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. In this equation, coefficient of x is b. This is the coefficient and this is variable. The coefficient of this equation, coefficient of x is minus b upon coefficient of x square is a. So the formula of alpha plus beta equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is equals to minus b by a. This is the formula of sum of the two zeros like alpha and beta. And the second relation is product of zeros alpha into beta. First zero is alpha and other is beta. Then the equation is constant term upon coefficient of x square. Like the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then the constant term is c. Then c upon coefficient of x square is a. Now the formula is alpha into beta equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square is equals to c by a. This is the formula of product of the zeros in quadratic equation. Now in exercise 2.1 NCERT 2.1, in exercise 2.1, question number 1 is the graphs of y equals to px are given in figure 2.10. For some polynomials px, find the number of zeros of px in each other. In the first question, first figure is, this is the graph of the equation. Here x, y. Then this is origin O. The line is not cut in the axis of x, so the number of zeros equal to 0, because the line y, this given line is not cut in the axis of x, so number of zeros is 0. But in the second figure, the diagram is this. So in this figure the line is cut on x axis in one place, so the number of zeros equals to 1, because the line cut in the x axis is only one time. And in the third diagram, the diagram will be the line cut at x-axis is 1, 2 and 3 points. 1 point, 2 point and third point. So the number of zeros equals to 3. Now in exercise 2.2, exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Find the zeros of the polynomial. X square minus 2x minus 8. This is our question. Now it is quadratic polynomial because the degree of the equation is 2. The highest power of the equation is 2, and so this is the quadratic polynomial. Now we will factorize this. X square minus 2x minus 8, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to minus 8. A into c equals to minus b. So 8 into 1 is equals to 8 and 4 into 2 equals to 8 and 4 minus 2 equals to 2. X square minus 4 minus 2 x minus 8. Now x square minus 4 into x, 4x minus minus plus 2 into x 2x minus 8. In this term x square minus 4x, then x is common, so x equals to x minus 4 plus 2 x minus 2 4 is 8. Then x plus 2 and x minus 4. X plus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 4 equals to 0. Then x equals to minus 2 and x equal to 4. This is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. Now we find the relations between alpha and beta. Sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is minus 2 plus beta is 4, and from the equation b is minus 2 and value of a is 1. So 4 minus 2 equals to minus plus 2. This is verified. And the second relation is product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to c by a, c upon a. Value of alpha is minus 2 multiplied by value of beta is 4. Here value of constant term is minus 8 and value of a is 1. Coefficient of x square 1. Then 4 to the 8 plus minus here minus 8. So relation is verified. Okay.